Good evening there. Well, it was pretty settled over the last 7-day period. There was a front which passed over the South Island on Friday, and there was a small funnel sighted in North Canterbury. Me being based in Canterbury, I didn't really see much that day that warranted that, to be honest, but there were a few photos that popped up on the New Zealand Stormchasers group page on Facebook, so there was something there. And then today, as Sunday, there was some weak instability over the Waikato area, and someone took a photo of a small funnel there. But there were no thunderstorms, funnily enough. As we look forward into early this coming week, it's still fairly settled, with this high pressure still in control. But as we crank into Tuesday, an easterly airflow starts to build over the North Island. There will be increasing cloud and a few light showers as a low brews to the north. Let's go to Wednesday. There's the low there in the Tasman Sea. We can see easterlies, cloud showers and some rain. No thunderstorms though. There'll likely be quite a bit of high cloud spreading down over New Zealand on Wednesday. Maybe a bit of low to mid-level cloud there in the east. As you can see, there is a light drizzle patch or shower there, which is indicative of that cloud. It'll be best out here in the west, but once again, maybe a touch of high cloud. Then we move to Thursday, where cloud, showers and some rain spreads down over most of New Zealand. Just dry there in the far south. There is a little bit of instability. It's here in the far north. If there were to be a thunderstorm, that's where it would be. To be honest, this weather doesn't look all that disastrous. I mean, yeah, sure, winds might freshen up a bit from the east or northeast. And yeah, there's a bit of rain. Maybe heaviest here in the north of the South Island. For the North Island, if anything, it'll be sort of like east and northland through to Coromandel, Great Barrier Island, maybe eventually Bay of Plenty. That's where you'd likely see the heaviest stuff. There's a few days to go under the bridge between now and then. Thursday, we'll just have to keep an eye on things as we move forward. On Friday, this front sort of pushes out to the east. There's still a little bit of wet weather for the North Island. It clears here in the east and there is showers or rain there in the west. There we go. So that is the front. Once again, Bay of Plenty, a little bit of wet weather. Could be an isolated heavy fall, maybe. There is some instability streaming into the Waikato area and Coromandel Peninsula. That is the only chance of a thunderstorm, really. East and South Island, you're drying up. Bit of sun coming through, perhaps. Maybe good for a mushroom hunt in the morning after some rain, especially into the weekend. But yes, the west coast there, a little bit of wet weather also, but no thunderstorms for you. Then on Saturday, things really start to wind down, especially in regards to that low. The wet weather breaks up there in the west. There is pockets of what look like maybe some instability there for the inner South Island. I don't think any thunderstorms, but yeah, just a few isolated showers there perhaps into the afternoon for some inland South Island areas. For the North Island, we've still got this front streaming in from the north, so this northeastern corner of the North Island, there is a little bit of instability there. It's the only chance, really, I would say, of something thundery. And that's about it. Sunday's fairly settled as we get into like Monday, Tuesday. Is that getting into April? Might be. I can't remember how many days March has. Anyway, yeah, the week after, you know, the week coming up, there is what looks to be a cold blast heading in from the south. And we'll update you on that next weekend. We'll catch you then. Cheers.